So one of the Facebook groups I'm a member of, somebody asked about an actual comparison between a low kickback and a standard full chisel chain speed comparison. And I happen to have a 460 Rancher that came factory with the low kickback safety chain, and I replaced that with a full chisel Oregon chain. So I'm going to just take a few swipes with the file just to clean this up, just touch the tips up a little bit, and then I'll do the same thing on the other one, and we'll put it in some wood and we'll compare the two. So here's a couple pictures of the cutters on the full chisel Oregon chain that I just got done cleaning up the cutters on. Feel free to leave a comment down below with a little constructive criticism if you see anything I'm doing wrong. I'm by no means an expert at sharpening chains, but I think I've been doing it enough years now that I'm pretty decent at it. Here are some pictures of the low kickback safety chain that came stock with my Rancher 460. You can see I put a little bit of cleaned up the edges on the cutters and dusted the rakers down to the same with the same depth gauge I did. It's the Husqvarna depth gauge set to the hard setting, which should be around 25 thousandths. Now the next thing to do is go put them both into the wood and see which one cuts faster. Start with the low kickback. Now we've got our standard Oregon full chisel on there. Let's see what that can do. Well, there you have it, folks. Irrefutable evidence that the low kickback chain is actually slower than a standard full chisel chain. Okay, not really, but at least for me, this confirms what I've had suspicions of and what I've felt using the low kickback chain. That's why I ended up swapping it out for a full chisel Oregon chain. So at least for me, in my saw and the wood I cut, the low kickback chain is definitely slower. Well, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.